Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with a challenge, and this challenge was created by Simply K. Simone, and it's the no utensils challenge, basically meaning no brushes. Okay, and you have to do this in the fastest time. Me, I'm not a makeup person, but we just gonna see how it goes, okay? And if y'all watching this far, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. That way we know if I want to post. Yeah, so we gonna get this video started. Of course, it says the fastest time, so I'm going to set up my... Okay, guys, sorry about that. So, of course, I got my timer set. Oh, it's not a timer, it's just a stopwatch. So... we're going to go in with our foundation like last time. This time I know not to put a lot because last time I did that, it was like boobs everywhere. So let me get ready to...
Sorry, I'm having trouble with the connection.
I know. We're going to go ahead and get ready to go. Well, I should make sure I have all my stuff together first before I start. And of course... I got all of this makeup from the Dollar Tree. I got me some highlight this time. Like, that's so unsanitary, but this joint be acting like they don't want to come out their package. Ooh, and my lips is kind of dry. All right, so we got highlights. So this is basically all that I have. So I got highlight, pressed powder, my pencil thing I had last time, and my foundation. We're gonna use the 4 of these. And I got some lip gloss. So we're just gonna go from here. And I also got, this also came with a mirror, so we're gonna... I doubt that I need the mirror, but we can see. Let's start our timer now. All right, it's going. I squirted on myself. A little goes a long way. I learned that the hard way. Oh, and my boo was live at the same time I'm doing this video. Oh, my face look weird. Maybe it's just this foundation that I bought. Put on some pressing powder and hopefully lighten this up.
Do you know where the iron is?
I don't really know about this, but maybe it's just the color that I got, because this doesn't look like it's helping my face. It just looks dry. I don't know. We're gonna make it do what it do. I mean, at least my face don't look as bad as it did last time. But I don't know. Makeup is not for me. Because I can definitely see, like, I look like a whole clown out here. Alright, so we're gonna put on this eyeshadow. What? You're gonna look a hot mess. I don't know. This color actually looks nice for my complexion. But I don't know. This is also a lipstick, blush, eyeshadow. The eyes is pretty cool. I like that, but I don't really know how would you apply blush. How do you apply blush? Like this. Put a little bit on the cheeks. Okay. We just gonna roll it on my finger. And we're gonna brush it like that. I don't know about makeup, but we gonna make it do what it do. Okay. Brush that in. We need to put some on my lips because these are just dry. Not a lot like last time. All right. We're going to put on some lip gloss as well. Your girl look not as bad as I thought I would. Not like last time. Okay. A little something, something. I really like this eyeshadow, though. This side is missing something, but we're going to make it do what it do. All right, and then we got our highlighter. Like I said, I don't know nothing about the music. Music. I mean, there is music in the background, too. Now we're just going to take some. Oh, that's a lot. We're just going to blend it and see where we go from here. Oh, Lord. These with this music. Hopefully I don't get a copyright strike. Just put a little bit. And we're going to see how it goes from here. I mean, I don't think I did that bad, but I know my face feels dry. I might have to find a better foundation because that one right there is not working. I mean, this is what I got so far from doing what I got. So we're going to stop my time. We're going to see what we got. Yes. Okay. I can honestly say I did a lot better than last time because, you know, I was looking a hot mess last time. I really like this color. Yes, I mean, it don't look as bad, but I wish I had more products to really work with. But this is what happens when you're working on a budget. And yeah, for me to not really know that much about music, music, makeup. I mean, I think I did a pretty good job this time opposed to last time. So yeah, my time I had was 6:56. I will insert it into this video. So we just going to end this video here. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a big thumbs down. The choice is yours. Comment down below if you'd like to see more videos like this. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell. That way you know when I post. And until next time, we are out of here. Peace.